Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create a stream in Curatora. So to get started, just go to your app.curatora.io and log in with your credentials, either your username and password, or you can log in with any of these Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. So let me quickly log in with my Google account here. All right. So let me tell you what a stream is. So we have created a page here on Curatora. You can find that page on the footer here, which can give you all the necessary glossary of terms. So if you can see what the stream is, basically a stream is like a project or a workspace where you can organize the content that you have to curate. So you can create a stream for a project. Maybe it is the name of a client or a particular project that you want to curate content for, or it could even be for a particular social media account that you are going to curate content for. You can have different streams for maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, or you can have different streams like on different topics like artificial intelligence and say neural networks. So if you want to have two separate streams for those, or you could simply have, say you have a client for real estate, then you can create a stream for real estate content curation, and then you may have another client which is into maybe finance, so you can have another stream which will cater to that particular client. So basically a stream is just a workspace for you to organize your curated content and help you go through it and then do the curation and publish it. So let's go and create a stream here. So like I said, you need to just give a name for your stream. So it could be absolutely anything. So let's call it, to keep it simple, let's call it stream one. So now you need to choose a topic for your stream. So we have curated thousands and thousands of topics and categorized them in all these different main topics. So you can either choose the entire topic and everything that we have curated, all the sources that we have curated in that particular main topic will be included for your stream, or you can even pick and choose whatever individual topics that you want to choose, which will make it, more granular for you and it will be more specific. Or you could even simply search for a topic and then choose the topics that you are interested in. So let's say if we choose information technology, programming, or systems programming, or software engineering maybe. So agile methodology and software engineering, software testing, DevOps. So let's say we choose all of this, or we don't need DevOps maybe, so we'll just leave out this. Um, or you could simply search this. So it will give you the particular topic that you are interested in, and you can choose it here. And when you are looking at this topic, so there are two tabs here. The first tab here will actually show you the number of topics that we have in our system, and there are 126 feeds, 126 sources in this particular topic, but it also shows sources here. So this is actually the sources has uh, which have the actual keyword, your agile word, within their name or the title, so within their domain name, title, or their meta description. So these are just sources with the keyword in that. So it's not like if you choose agile here, say. So yeah, so the topic actually gives the curated list that we have done, and this is actually only finding the term, the keyword in the titles and names of the sources. So don't get confused by the difference in the number here. So there will be a lot of sources that we have curated which may not have the agile keyword within their title description, but they are actually really high quality sources for this particular topic. So the simplest way and the recommended way is to just go with the title here, topic here, and then move forward. And once you hit finish, your stream is ready and it will start giving you the content. And in the next video, we'll learn how to connect your social media accounts to start publishing to the stream that you have just created.